In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Squarespace website for beginners. Let's jump right in by opening your Squarespace site and heading to the page you want to edit. Once you're there, enter editing mode by clicking Edit. This switches your page into a flexible, visual editor where you can add new content and adjust what's already on the screen. To add your first piece of content, hover where you want something to appear and click Add Block. From the menu, choose Text. A text block will drop into place. Click into it and start typing. Use the highlighted formatting controls that appear. These let you set headings, apply bold or italics, adjust alignment, and even turn text into a link. Keep your paragraphs short and use a heading style for titles so your design stays consistent with your site's style settings. Next, add another block and choose Image. When the image placeholder appears, use the highlighted options to upload a file from your computer or select one from your library. After it's in, you'll see more highlighted controls to refine it. Pick the layout style you like, adjust the focal point so the most important part of the photo stays centered, and add a concise alt text description for accessibility and SEO. You can also tweak the size and spacing so the image fits well with the text above or below it. Now add one more block and select Button. Click the highlighted field to give your button a clear label. Then use the highlighted link option to choose where it goes. Another page on your site, an external link, or a specific section on the page. Use the highlighted style controls to set the button type, size, and alignment so it stands out without overpowering the rest of your content. Before wrapping up, click Add Block again if you need any final elements, and use the highlighted settings and handles you see to refine the layout. This is where you can fine-tune spacing, make slight alignment adjustments, and ensure your text, images, and button feel balanced together. Take a moment to scan the page for consistency. Matching heading levels, even margins, and clean spacing make a big difference. When everything looks good, click Save at the top to publish your changes. Give the page a quick refresh and review it as a visitor would. That's it. By using Edit, Add Block, and the highlighted controls for text, images, and buttons, you can confidently shape your Squarespace